Traders, ladies and gentlemen, how you doing? Probably wondering, envy, why are you wearing a jacket, right? As you know, I try to bring you the realities of trading, and the truth is, I actually spilt something on my t-shirt early this morning when I was waiting for a trade to set up. So my t-shirt's a little bit filthy, and I actually haven't had a lot of time to get changed and get fresh and make a whole polished YouTube video. Truth is, I'm almost falling asleep here. I'm so tired. I wanted to get something out there because I haven't put a video out this week. So that's it. You're just gonna have to put up with me in a jacket indoors. But at least you're getting a dose of reality, right? I always wonder, and I'm gonna show you some amazing stuff in this video. Literally, it won't be more than 2 or 3 minutes, the trading, because like I said, I'm literally, you can see my eyes closing. I'm talking with my eyes closed. I am literally falling asleep. I'm so tired, but I thought, let me get something out there to the scholars today. Great week it's been. Almost, I think it's around just over $18,000 this month. Live account, I'll show you all of that, no problems. But yeah, wanted to get something out there for you. And I always wonder, how do these guys look so polished and fresh when they're making their YouTube videos and stuff? And the reason I like to bring a bit of reality, because I know the majority of you watching this are thinking the same thing. Most of you are tired after a long day's work, you're relaxed, you're probably wondering, oh, that looks amazing. Trading, making money, guys fresh all day, looking prim, proper, full of energy, making videos, and that's not the reality of it. As you can see, I'm literally falling asleep, absolutely knackered. This is what trading's really like, and this is coming from an institutional trader who makes real money, not monopoly money like most of these guys. And that's what I'm going to show you today. So literally 2-3 minutes. Will be a little bit short today because obviously I am tired, but I'm going to highlight something to you amazing. I was watching just a normal candlestick, and I was watching some absorption happening today, and I was wondering, how on earth do people trade without order flow? So let's go and have a look. Okay, traders, so here we are. I'm picking it up just after the open. I've already put a position on, and I'm actually offside. Okay, so I'm down 225, maybe a little bit more. So I'm actually offside at the moment. It's my live account. You can see that there. My real account, basically. So, serious money here. I'm down a little bit. I just want to actually show you that I actually ended up adding positions, all right? So if you actually look, let me just get rid of this pen. Just watch this, 4544, very interesting. About 150, would you agree? Let's see what happens every time the market gets down there. Okay, just watch. Nothing, basically. You see, now it goes up to 150, 160. No one prints, right? No sellers dare even touch it. What does that tell you? That the market is, scared to sell there and go up. Now, I want you to have a look at this. Now, imagine you were just looking at that, right? Which is what most people do. You didn't have access to this. You didn't have access to what I just showed you. You're completely lost, right? You don't need to take my word for it. How these people are trading, like I said at the intro, without this information, I'll never know. The market then starts to show some serious buying, which you can also see in the footprint here. 325 imbalance on that side. There you go. Added another position. I said I'd keep it short. Let's see how it turned out. Okay, so you can see no one wanted to sell there, and the market just absolutely ripped higher. This is towards the conclusion of the trade, almost 2,600, 2,700 up now on the day, just about to take some profits. I said I'd keep it short, basically, so I'm just showing you the conclusion of the trade, which you're going to see any moment now. I'm about to take the trade off just at the highs of the day, which kind of makes sense. To do that, just literally waiting for 75, I think. There we go, got the fill just below 75, so $2,762.50. And actually, let me just show you that on my blotter so we can have a look at where that puts me for the week, for the month really. $2,762.50, you can see it there. $18,425. You can see the full breakdown there as you wish, commissions and MAE and so on and so forth. I said I'd keep this video short. Like I said, I am really falling asleep now. Click the button to subscribe if you want to watch real trading and, you know, beat all that nonsense out there. Watch this video here for my latest Institutional Sunday, which described this bearishness we're seeing now. See you next time.